Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. When you have painting projects, they can be a little frustrating, but having the best tools makes it a lot easier. That's what I really like to have Purdy brushes. This is the 1.5 inch angled brush, and this thing is great. So I love that it has a medium stiffness so that it is really easy to control. It's not so floppy that the paint is going all over the place, and it's not so stiff that it is hard to get the paint in the little corners and the little edges. So this makes it really easy. The wooden handle is comfortable, it's easy to hold, and the brush really holds a lot. The nylon polyester blend of the fibers just really hangs on to paint and does an awesome job at getting it where you need to go. So these brushes are very durable, they last forever. As you can see, this one has been well used, but it still is holding its shape and does an awesome job. So if you want to make your life easier on your next painting project, then I would definitely recommend this Purdy brush, and that's my point of view.